The journey continues, and I eventually make it to Germany, where I'm surprisingly greeted by a fanfare with drums and trumpets. Still, don't believe those YouTubers, myself included, who only show you the nice sides of things and hide the ugly. This freedom to cycle unbound by time has its own challenges. You also go through ugly industrial sites, have to navigate through heavy traffic, keep cycling when it's so cloudy that even helicopters need to fly low. And when you thought you were wet enough, it really starts pouring. At times, I wonder why I'm doing this. Still, with a bit of patience, soon enough the sun is back shining. And usually, if you're able to listen, you get the answer.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps, but in slow motion. A couple distant oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why I gotta be you.
Germany compensates its lack of cycleways with these very nice gazebos with the benches, table, and they're just obviously perfect places to stop and have food, have a nap. And I don't know if it was bad luck, but in Holland there was one day I was looking for a bench with a roof because it was actually sunny and I wanted some shade, and that took me about 30 kilometers to find one. Instead here I seem to find these places very often. So good place to stop now and have the best food for cyclists. Yes, you guessed it right. Some chocolate spread. Nutella would be my choice, but I can't afford it nowadays, so I got just a cheap chocolate spread. Tortillas. The unmissable fruit for cyclists, bananas. It's great. And a nice thermal flask with a hot coffee that I brewed this morning at the campsite. What does one need more from life? Well, there'll be a few things, but it's not too bad. There we go. Quickly prepared and served. The perfect snack for the destitute cyclist. It's very good. As you've seen, the last couple of days the weather has not been very kind to me. It's been a lot of thunderstorms and a temperature that dipped so low that I've started wearing my Scandinavian jumper way early. Anyway, there's been somewhat an improvement today. Still cloudy, but I've seen the sun coming out quite a bit, and I'm very excited because I'm heading to Hamburg, a city I've never visited. Let's go.
So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of love. I'm tired of always see the better in people or the things that matter. But I never could have thought the dagger in my bag, it was you. In the echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me. But now I've gotten so sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of I'm so sick of love. I'd rather be naive and bitter. Decorate my lows in glitter. Karma hits you like the mirror. You're too late now. In the echoes of your lies, dear. Can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me. But now I've gotten so sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of But now I've gotten so sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick, so sick, so sick of love. So sick of So sick of love.
Frida, Heva, you've been like the most wonderful host that I could have hoped for.
Thank you very much.
And as I was saying with Frida earlier, he fed me so much that I have no excuses not to make it to Denmark now.
Bye bye.